Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from one of these gaskets of the boiler, and it was time to replace all the gaskets of the boiler. When we went inside and deep cleaned everything in here and replaced these gaskets, so those were in really bad condition. We really had to scrub the top boiler gasket and the bottom one as well. And we replaced everything. We replaced all these gaskets that you see right here, the gaskets from the group head, the gasket from the side glasses, gaskets from the heating element and the boiler as well. So we did a full tune-up on this machine. We cleaned it up, put it back together, and we've been testing this machine for quite a while to make sure it hasn't overheated, and it's always been staying at this temperature. It's not leaking anywhere. We double checked that as well, and yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings on this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Steady stream coming out of the machine. Probably need to temper a bit less harder. That's why we have a little flow coming out through the group head. But nice shot of espresso. Steam for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady steam, excellent temperature as well, working really well. And you can see the flow coming out from the shower screen, nice and steady, working great. So there you have it, Zacconi espresso machine working once again and ready to brew. Excellent steam pressure coming out of the machine, no leaks anywhere around the machine, and excellent flow coming out of the shower again. Thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.